Countdown to chaos. US alarmed by new Russian submarines' 30-second strike capability. Russia has developed a cutting-edge type of submarine that has caught the attention of the United States. These submarines are built to launch powerful torpedoes called Poseidons. These torpedoes are massive and extremely powerful, making the submarines that transport them among the strongest globally. This video explores what these torpedoes can do, the submarines that carry them, and how they could influence Russia's situation in Ukraine. The Poseidon torpedoes. Russia's Poseidon torpedoes have taken the world by storm, being hailed as the largest ever created. These torpedoes aren't just big, they are a game-changer with their nuclear might. Even Russian President Vladimir Putin couldn't resist showing them off on the global stage. This bold move sparked conversations worldwide as people tried to grasp the immense power that these torpedoes hold. The sheer size and the nuclear punch of the Poseidon torpedoes have left everyone in awe and triggered intense debates about their role in shaping future conflicts. A new class of submarines. To make room for these colossal torpedoes, Russia is going all in by building a whole new type of submarine. These submarines are no joke. They're being designed to handle the sheer power of the Poseidon torpedo. This pairing is a big deal because it could be the answer Russia needs to tackle its tough situations, like the ongoing issues in Ukraine. These submarines armed with Poseidon torpedoes might just tip the scales in Russia's favor and shape the outcome of critical situations. Technical marvel. The Poseidon torpedoes are more than just underwater explosives. They are a testament to engineering innovation. These nuclear-powered giants are 3 times wider than conventional heavyweight torpedoes, making them more akin to kamikaze submarines charged with immense nuclear energy. Their pump-jet nuclear propulsion systems grant them nearly unlimited range and depth, rendering them virtually unstoppable by existing anti-torpedo defense. Poseidon's strategic edge. With its top speeds exceeding that of American submarines, the Poseidon torpedoes bring a level of stealth and speed that can redefine underwater warfare. Their unique design challenges conventional wisdom, taking underwater routes to outwit ballistic missile defenses. Their potential to unleash devastation on land or generate radiation-contaminated tsunamis in the sea make them an unprecedented strategic weapon. Russia's geopolitical motivations. Russia's pursuit of Poseidon torpedoes is rooted in its response to changing geopolitical dynamics. As the US withdrew from the Anti-Ballistic Missile Treaty, Russia sought to bolster its nuclear capabilities, culminating in the creation of these remarkable torpedoes. Their intended use is a second strike weapon, serving as a deterrent against any country attempting a surprise nuclear attack on Russia. Poseidon versus Ukraine. Amid Russia's ongoing conflict with Ukraine, the question arises, would Russia deploy Poseidon torpedoes against Ukraine? While the submarines carrying these torpedoes could indeed target Ukrainian ships, the impact of such a move remains questionable. Ukraine's resolve, combined with international agreements and constraints, could make this approach less effective than desired. Russia's development of the Poseidon torpedoes and their dedicated submarines introduces a new chapter in underwater warfare. The colossal power, stealth, and strategic implications of these torpedoes raises important questions about their potential use and the changing dynamics of global conflict. As these innovations continue to evolve, only time will reveal the true impact of Russia's Poseidon torpedoes on the world stage. We would like to hear from you your thoughts on the Poseidon torpedoes and their role in modern warfare. Do you believe they are a necessary response to changing geopolitical dynamics, or are they an unnecessary escalation? We look forward to your insights and thoughts in the comments.